Alright, we got a adult female Candino here. And the Candino is the cross between the albino and the candy. They say when they're born, they all look albino. And then as they age, the purple starts to come in. You can see the purple's coming in nice on her. Beautiful snake. I've never actually bred these. I believe this female is gravid. And the toffee and the candy, I guess, have recently been genetically proven to be the same mutation. And when you breed these to an albino, well, half will come out Candino and half will come out albino. And I guess you can't really tell until they get a little bit older. They start to, the ones out of the Candino start to purple up. Gorgeous snake. So apparently this purple just darkens every time they shed. It gets a little bit deeper. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Songbird Ranch.